Hey, this is Jake Jass with Copperhead Ag. I'm just going to walk through this John Deere row unit and show all the possibilities as far as kits available right now from Copperhead Ag. Most prominent on the back end, the furrow cruiser spike closing wheels. We have those in stock for 2020. Up next here, the closing wheel arm repair kit. We're going to a bearing inside there, weld a race onto your collar or onto your arm, and you get these tight straight and keep them from wearing out again. This is the gauge wheel mud scraper from RK Products. They're sold in pairs, and that's going to keep your seating depth consistent by running those. And we have them in this narrower blade for a 3-inch tire, and we do also have them in a 4.5-inch normal profile, and we do have them in the Case IH profile tire too. So no matter what tire you've got on there, you can run them. Moving up next is the RK Products gauge wheel arm repair kit to get those gauge wheel arms tight and straight. This is the mudsmith gauge wheel. It's got a nice cast iron hub, uses a standard bearing, thicker rubber. Those are made in South Dakota, right where we're at. And then if you can see right up in here, we've got the seed tube guard. That's also from RK Products. Those seed tube guards, we've got a tungsten carbide, which is this one, and we have a high chrome content option. There's a lot more material of those. They're going to last longer than an OEM guard. And they're going to keep those discs running, tracking nice and open, and keep your C-trench firmed up in the way that it should be. If you got any questions, go to copperheadag.com, pull up the product pages, look at videos, and get our contact information. Again, my name is Jake Jass. Give me a call, and we can talk Plant 2020.